Welcome to my bathroom. Actually, it's the toilet room. Too creepy? Today, I'm gonna put up some doorknobs. Now, if you remember, I don't know, a while ago, I put doorknobs on the other bathroom. Today, I'm in my bathroom. It sounds a little funny because, yes, I'm in the toilet room and there's these cupboards here. Shooting gal wants these knobs installed somewhere in there. And I'm going to take you right along with me. All you need is a combination square, some blue tape, a drill bits, a way to screw things in with your drill, and a small block of wood. And I'll show you why. Oh yeah, and a number 2 pencil. Okay, this can go real wrong, but you'll see it here first, folks. Use our Amazon link down below. When you do, it helps us out and it doesn't cost you a penny more. And after using the link, save it to your bookmarks so you can have easy access to it in the future. Thank you. First off, let's kind of figure out where the stupid thing's supposed to go. What's most important is that they're even, so you don't have one up here and you have one down here. But I think right around there is going to be good, which means if I take my combo square and say, yeah, right around there, which is kind of where that is. Oh, maybe that's a good way just to measure. So height is going to be right there. I'll lock down combo square. I'm going to take the tape, put it right there. Put another piece right there. Now this bathroom is freshly painted. Shooting gal spent all weekend painting, which, man, she's just a patient gal, All right, so I'll measure like that. Do you see all that? I guess you do. Hey, that's good. So I'll do this. I'll draw a line there. I'll do the same thing on this side. Let's flip it around. And as long as the cupboards are the same, and they're adjusted so they'd be the same height, these knobs should line up. Do they? There you go. Now the next thing to do is where in here, and I think I'm just going to go halfway. I'm going to eyeball it. I better not screw up the paint because she worked hard on this thing. There you go. X marks the spot. That's where it's going. Do the same thing over here. Now the last time I did this, I used a jig, and I'm a proponent of those jigs. I like that. Oh, that didn't work out very good, did it? There you go. It's going to be right there and right there. I used a jig. That's because I had the luxury of taking the doors off. I laid them out on the table, put the jig down, marked the spot. This will work just fine for this one. Now, if I had multiples to do, different sizes and all that, yeah, I'd probably go to the jig. Today, not going to do it. I'm going to determine what size drill because of the screw that I'm using. Your mileage may vary, folks. By the way, I'm going to leave a link to all of this stuff. I'm not sponsored by DeWalt or any of that. I just happen to use DeWalt. I like it. Works well around the house. And if you're in need of drills and things like that, I'll make up an Amazon store with all this stuff on it. I'll put a link to it in the upper thing, wherever that shows up. And then you can click on that and order it. And if it's not exactly what you want, browse around Amazon and you'll find something. I'm sure you will. What size do I need it to be? Probably a 1/8 inch. That seems right. The extra block of wood, very simple. I'm going to put it behind the door here so that as I drill out, I don't blow out a hole. So I'm just going to go like that and go like that. Wish me luck. Nice. Do the same thing on this side. You see, that's why the hole in the back, maybe I'll show you a close up, but the hole on the back won't be blown out. See, no blowout. And it won't chip up and all that good stuff. And I'm using tape because obviously I got fresh paint, don't want to screw up the paint. All right, as it turns out, I ended up drilling it out just a little bit. Battery died. Got a new battery, 530 seconds. That was the size of the screw that it needed to go in. So let's try this now. 530 seconds. Seems to be a little small too. It's all right. That's why we have one of these. Oh, there you go. Went right through. I like it. Let's do the same thing to the other side.
That's all, folks.
Nothing like having the camera fall down. Good thing it didn't break.
This camera broke.
All right, we're back. Here, let's put it on this one here. For you non-left-handers, this is going to be tough. Oh, oh, I like it. Okay, this is where it gets real simple. Take your knob, just kind of hold your finger in the back, screw the knob on, snug it down. Take your other knob, put your finger back here. Let's step back and take a look. Look at that. I kind of like it. It's, I think I'm going to score some points with Shootin' Gal. She's finally got knobs. And so she can get at her Kleenex and toilet paper. And all it took were a few simple tools. These things are up, and all it took were these simple instructions. I even had these leftover nuts. I got 2 of them, and some leftover tape. And with that, you could decorate the walls. Actually, I kind of like that decor. You know what this means, right? If Shootin' Gal likes this, I'm going to be putting knobs everywhere. Maybe I'll call it the Najman series. All right, folks, the way you can help us out, use our Amazon link. That would be wonderful. It helps put food on the table here at the TSG house. And again, I don't get paid to do any of this from any of these folks. I just benefit from when you click on my links. I've got other videos, go check them out. I'll see you over there.